What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to figure out if the ZDX throttle body was that all a waste of time. In the span of 3 days, the car hasn't gotten retuned or anything of that nature. I haven't even drove the car yet. So I guess my initial response won't be like a little fake one. It'd be a legit one. It'd be like, whoa, this car absolutely sucks. Or it could be like, this rips. Either or. Right off the bat, I want to say, I apologize if I don't look like the best Chris Brown-ish. Oh my God, there's a car next to me and I'm filming and people think I'm talking to myself. Fuck. I'm nervous. Oh shit. They looking at me? They probably looking at me, y'all. See, this is why I don't like doing this, bro. I be getting nervous. Like, how you get nervous? You're a YouTuber. You've been doing this for years. Oh yeah, I need spark plugs. I gotta go buy some spark plugs right now. But the car feels great. So my initial thoughts on the ZDX throttle body is that, goddamn, it does have some more pep in its step, but my spark plugs, however, don't have no step in its pep. Them Johns about to be goddamn replaced. So I'm on my way to AutoZone right now. I figured why not just make the video on my way to AutoZone, which I'm going in the wrong direction. But it is what it is. I'm a trooper. I can stand it out. I got money for gas, nigga. I'm balling. Cap. You know what's crazy? We can look at the gas thing and be like, damn, gas $4.08. That's cheap. The government won, y'all. They already won. And we're looking at the gas prices now and saying, damn, that's cheap. And that John, $4? Yep, we lost. They won. Damn. I think this is all happening because I wasn't doing that one like equal one prayer post on Facebook back in 2012. This is the karma, I guess. But jokes aside, the ZDX does feel better. Like, going from stock to the ported, it's more like an airflow for me. Like, I feel like it's giving more, obviously it's giving more airflow, but like, you can really feel it. But then again, my spark plugs are like sputtering. So I guess once I put the spark plugs in, I can really open it up. But I'm gonna try to open it up on the video. If my car blow up, then you have to buy merch. Deal? Is that a deal? Like, if I blow my car up filming this video for y'all, would y'all help me out by buying merch? Would that be a deal? If you clicked on this video and I know who I am, and I seem like one of those guys just asking you to buy merch, I 100% am that dude. So, you know, everything helps. Bam, 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 yeah. I need to go buy spark plugs right now. But first, I like that. There's no holdback. Like, you don't feel that initial holdback. That's nice. I like that. I like that. But, bro, not having tint on a car when you're doing a video like this, I don't know how that dude in blue does it. I don't know how he do it, bro. I can't. Having people look at me, see what I'm doing, I feel crazy. But I'm pledging allegiance to the bag. So am I really crazy? What if I wasn't recording none of this? What if my car's overheating? I haven't even, this is my first time driving it. I don't even know if it's overheating, bro. My shit probably overheating, bro. Lord. Oh no, we good. Look at that. 190. We good, Playboy. We good. Self-tunes itself. Oh, I don't like that. There go police right there, undercover. Lord have mercy on my soul. I don't know what it's been lately, but driving the Civic has just been like nice. I done did the aesthetic cosmetic mod to the interior. Got a full black interior, got the A pillars. I gotta do the B pillars next. I got the headliner in that nice black, not suede, but black cloth material. It's nice. I painted the center dashboard piece black. So everything is coming together in the interior, but y'all not here for that. Y'all here for the ZDX and what I feel about it. I respect it. I respect it. Let me go on the highway and I can, you know, wiggle diggle a little bit. And it's about to rain actually. And rain plus 200 tread wear tires don't really go that well. So if something happens, you're gonna make a deal to buy merch. You can't be mad at me for trying. Po. Ooh, I don't like that. It kicks. The car feels so much better though. Like it's more agile, like more quicker. Like got more pep in its step. I love that. Feels good though. Like I wonder how it would compare to the J35. You know, would it be a difference between the 37 and the 35? I don't know. I can't give y'all that information. But how I know going from a goddamn 68 to a 74, I think. I don't know what the, maybe it's a 74? I don't know what, it's 72? I don't know. But it feels good. Oh, that was lightning. Nice. The car does feel good though, I tell you that much. So if you're thinking about doing an upgrade, I highly would recommend it. But make sure you got fresh spark plugs. I'm going to AutoZone right now, brother. Damn, not while I'm dressed like this. I got camo shorts on, some green Asics, and a maroon shirt. I look like I steal from Dollar Tree. Let's hear how it sounds in this little tunnel thing. This is where the rice ram come out. This shit feels good, bruh. Oh, hell yeah, I love this. Hell, put AC back on, it's a little too hot for all that. But it feels good. Oh, that's a car. Not trying to hit the car. Oh shit, I ain't got insurance on my car. Damn, mom's cut me off. I should probably not be driving this car right now doing pulls, huh? Alright, well, at least I filmed the video. The car drives great, everybody. If you're thinking about doing a J37 throttle body replacement on your whip, I highly recommend you doing it. And where do I suggest you buy it from? Hybrid Racing. But if you have a junkyard, then go to the junkyard. It's cheaper, obviously, duh. I mean, but if you want to buy a brand new, Hybrid Racing, baby. You feel me? All right, I'll be back, y'all. Bada bing, bada boom, bi. These are the spark plugs that I run on my whip. And I believe I've been doing some reckless endangerment. You know what's funny? People probably thought I was joking about like me not having insurance, but I dead ass do not have insurance on either of my cars for now. And I know that's nothing to be funny about or joke about, because in case I get in an accident or something, you know. But hit the like button for that honesty though. I really would appreciate that. And Google AdSense would appreciate that too. Oh, I hate that it splurges like that. Gotta drive careful. I'm in a parts of town where I'm not allowed. By that I mean part of town where, you know, there's a lot of cops and you see who's driving this car, you know. I don't have car insurance. Man, living in a city that's like being developed more than it should kind of sucks, because like all the roads where like you would go have fun, do some party things, some pools, all that stuff is like now gone. Like there's nowhere to do pools anymore unless you're going on a highway, but that's boring. You guys think it's gonna rain today or not? Or not, bro. But anywho, we're back home from that crazy drive. Oh man, this never gets old. Just looking at how beautiful this engine bay is. Well, just beautiful how this right here is. Over here still needs some work, obviously, but actually not that bad. If I could just like get all this stuff right here like out the way and stuff, it probably won't look that bad in here. So I believe what happened to my spark plugs is that, hold on, let me just move this, because you know, gotta have your car quick release. Am I right or am I right? So, oops. I've never had this piece here. This piece was never usually here because when I took it off, I never put it back on. So whenever I would pop open the bonnet or whenever it rained, the water would just go right here and like sit on my spark plug runners where my coil packs would go. So it's either my coil pack took a poop or my spark plugs, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace the spark plugs anyway, see what happens. If not, then I know it's the coil pack. In order to do that, I have to take this off, which is why I kept it off in the first place. Apparently this little shield or whomever or whatever is actually really beneficial to the car and you want to run it. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna keep it. Just gotta, whenever I want to do spark plugs or anything of that nature, check header bolts or anything, I just gotta keep taking it on and off. If I lived in California, I'm sure that I probably won't need it because it barely rains in California. But I live in Florida, the sunshine state. So let's go ahead and start removing this stuff right here. Y'all want to see magic? If you don't laugh at that, that was actually kind of funny because like I showed y'all before I told y'all if y'all want to see. All right, these are my coil packs. You see what water does to your coil packs? It makes them look like trash, complete trash. They're all dry. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was gonna put you guys on a tripod and like time lapse all this stuff, but then I thought to myself, nah, this is what happens when water gets in your spark plug tube seal. Well, not your tube seal, but goes down. So basically the water sits on top of that, your coil pack goes on top of that, and yeah, this don't look that good, brother. These two are clapped. This is cylinder 3 and that's the cylinder 2, and this is 1 and 4. All right, spark plugs are in, coil packs are in. I also remembered that I got an extra set of coil packs. So now we can do some real testing to see if it was either my coil packs or my spark plugs. So what I'm gonna do right now is just leave the car like this, go for a quick little drive, see if it sputters when I'm trying to take off. If it does that BS, then I know that it probably is a coil pack. So then I'll swap all the coil packs over and then we'll see what's up. If it's not that, then I don't know what the problem could be. Let's see what's up. I just like doing this, don't judge me. That's weird. Hold on, let me see. Let's see. Okay, that's weird. It didn't do it. I don't know, because it's doing that two-step thing. All right, let's see. Because usually when I do a pull, it would like, yeah, I don't know why I was just, yeah. We're good, everybody. We are good, and I am already far from home. What the fuck? I'm gonna do a pull right here and see, damn, I should have, oh, I do got my camera thing. I'm gonna try and do a pull and see if it like breaks up stutters, and if it does, then that should be like coil pack. What was supposed to be just a ZDX video quickly turned into a diagnosing video. Shit, if I touch it, it gotta be diagnosed. Why do I treat myself so bad? Oh yeah, that's not supposed to do that. Oh yeah, that might be coil pack. Car's acting weird. It's not doing it anymore. Cut the camera off, decided to drive home, which is only like a 2-minute, actually 20-second drive away. And then I get in the driveway, try to emulate what happened, and it's not doing it. So I'm gonna try again. I'm just gonna hit the 2-step. Well, at least. Well, that's weird. I don't think it's coil pack. I just think maybe I just need to get it retuned or something. But when I do go get it retuned, I am going to take those spare coil packs. So, just in case. So, I mean, I guess that's pretty much the video. I mean, hopefully I give y'all insight if you should spend some bread on a ZDX throttle body or a J35. Do it. I mean, it feels good to me. Once I get it retuned and I see my little 2 horsepower gain, I'll be happy. I can't wait to get a new front bumper so I can put my lip on, get it redone, make sure that this actually gets wrapped this time. Damn, so sad. Like, look how sad that is, bro. I'm holding it up by tape right now. That is so sad, dog. Should be receiving my catch can in like 2 days, maybe. And once I have that, I'll be able to drive this car, do pulls, be on it, make content, get views, get paid, and live a happy life. So, that's the goal at least. I honestly should have just went ahead and replaced the coil packs while I was there. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. Because right now I'm gonna go to my girl's dad's family dinner. So, at least I got a video. Bro, what if I look like this?